Hey guys, I have a special guest today.
The most special.
Ta-da! The one and only, the OG. So stay tuned, we are going to do skin prep using skin and then a full glam. Alright guys, so starting out with the skin toner, I'm applying this on Kim with a cotton pad. This is going to exfoliate her skin beautifully and get it ready for the rest of the skin prep.
Yesterday was mine and Mario's 15-year anniversary from the day we met.
15 years.
He sent me flowers.
She sent me a cake. So cute. Can you guys believe it's 15 years? All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm applying the skin face cream and I'm mixing it with the skin oil drops. Kim actually taught me how to do this. This is what she does in the morning. Mixing the two provides a beautiful moisturizing base for the makeup and it gives a beautiful radiant glow to the skin. I'm just cleaning off the brows now and I'm starting out with the brows, and this is the Master Blade Brow Pencil in the shade Classic Brunette. And we're gonna go ahead now with the eyes, prepping the eyes with foundation. And now I'm using the Master Mattes eyeshadow and I'm just kind of giving a softly sculpted eye all over the lid. And I'm lining the outer corners of Kim's eyes now with the Master Pigment Pro Pencil in my favorite shade, the Perfect Brown, using the little brush on the end to blend out. Right now we're using the Skin Eye Cream to prep the under eye area for complexion. All right, complexion time. So I am using two shades of my Surreal Skin Foundation, 14O and 15N. I'm going quite a bit deeper than her skin tone because she's doing a video shoot where she's going to be under hot lights. I'm applying that and blending it with the F4 brush. And next up, I'm using the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. I'm mixing two shades, the light medium, which is more cool tone, and the medium, which is more warm. And I'm just going around the perimeter of the face to softly enhance her skin, add some warmth, add some sculpting. Now to further define, I'm using the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick, and I'm putting it just along the hollows of the cheeks, a little bit along the jawline, just to give her a beautiful sculpted complexion. Now we're using concealer. I'm so sorry that I can't share what it is yet. This is a lab sample, but I'm using the concealer now sort of to conceal, to correct, and to brighten her skin and her complexion. And I'm just blending that in now with a beauty blender so everything is seamless. Okay, I'm using a little bit of setting powder now to set everything into place. Now I'm using the Soft Sculpt Bronzer. This is in the shade Light Medium, which is a little bit more cool tone, and I also mix in a little bit of medium. And basically, I'm just going over where I put the Transforming Skin Enhancer and the sculpting stick. And now I'm taking the Master Mattes eyeshadow and I'm smoking it along the lower lash line, which is definitely a signature of mine, and I'm connecting that to the Master Mattes that I applied on the top of the lid. We did go ahead and apply some lashes off camera. Now to finish off Kim's cheeks, I'm using the Soft Pop Powder Blush. I'm mixing Creamy Peach and Poppy Pink together and I'm applying that with my blush brush on the apples of the cheeks and blending it up and out to give the appearance of a more lifted complexion. And now for lips, I'm using my sculpting lip pencil in Toasty and Travis. So this is Toasty going all around the lips and I'm just setting it now a little bit with powder. Now I'm using the Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream in the shade Nude Suede. This is really good when you want to sort of black out color and give a really like neutral nude tone to the lips. And to finish off the lips, I'm using the brand new Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Color in Soft Nude. I love, love, love this color so much. All right, you guys, there she goes.
You tire me out.
Thank you for watching the mini masterclass, and a huge thank you to Kimberly Noel for joining us today for this behind the scenes, and to Chris also.